guys, it's me Justin here. Welcome back to another video. I'm just joking. But today we are well, you guys saw from the title and you already know. So today we are gonna unbox some Kinder eggs. You know, Kinder Surprise eggs, and I just opened one, as you can see, but not right now. It was like I opened it in the car. But right now, I'm at Juvian's. I'm in the office. It's pretty messy in here, as you can see by the chair. See that? Yeah. Alright. I'm sorry, guys. You okay? Hey, okay. Camera just fell. It's fine. As you can see, I have the spinner right here. It's really cool. It's a lion. Here, this will give you an example. Hey, oh no, my Kinder egg fell. Oh, that's gonna crack. This one, it's like been damaged here, as you can see. Yeah, see that? But there's a wolf, there's a lion. I got the lion, and here's a snake. It's not cool. Put it off. See that, guys? Isn't that cool? Yeah. Do you guys know how to read this? Because I don't. Oh, this is... Okay, but, so we're gonna, open... Oh yeah, if you guys want to see the spin, okay, guys, you ready? Spin! Whoa! Isn't that cool, guys? You can battle with, snake versus wolf, lion versus wolf, lion versus snakes, snake versus lion. I don't know. But yeah, let's unbox these two Kinder eggs. I'm sorry. You know what that? You know you have that you know you have that like impatience. You're just really excited to like do something or open something like a Kinder egg. You're just I want to open it, and you're impatient, so you just do it. Yeah, that was me. So yeah, let's unbox these dudes, and then we get some good chocolates. So here's the first Kinder egg surprise. Here's the chocolate. I love the chocolate. It's so good. Okay, there's the first egg. I didn't mean to do that, but it's just really melty. That's why I placed it there. Oh, it's so melty. Okay, guys. Some in the plastic, but yeah. So, ooh, look at this, guys. I got car. Nice. I can get another code for my Kinder. If you guys wanna, do you have a Kinder app? Here's the code. So yeah, and I love chocolate. Okay, I like white chocolate. What kind of chocolate do you like? Comment down below. So let's build this car. So let me do this. These are like mystery surprise eggs because, see, Kinder Surprise. It's a surprise. Oh, there's a big code. Okay, you guys want to see this? That's cool, right? And then here's another code. Yeah, there you go. So the instructions are, okay, wait. Yeah, it seems easy to me. Okay, click. Okay. So you grab this piece first. And then you grab this. Put it here. Wait, what? Yeah, you put it here. You put it here, actually. Like, you see this piece? You put it here. this to this to here, and then you hear it click. There you go. Or it doesn't click. You just put it on there. And then if you hear anybody, that's just the people that are cooking and stuff. And there you go. We have our first toy. Does it click? Yeah, it does. There you go. Yeah, here's our first toy. Let me move everything in the way. Let me just put the garbage in here. And then I'll keep the code. I have the Kinder app code. It looks fun. Go download it. It looks fun, actually. It's called Kinder, Magic Kinder app. So, yeah. Go download it. It's actually really fun. You get to learn and stuff. And, yeah, we got our first car, so let's see what it does. Oh, not you. I'm sorry. Whee! It's really cool. No. Oh, it's a flying car. Oh, it's airplanes. It's like, you do this. Vroom. Whoa. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, guys, it's just, okay, you just go like this. Oh, wait, I'll just do it like this. Vroom. Wait, let me get it perfect again. Wait, okay? And then vroom. Whoa, and then zoom. Isn't that cool, guys? Oh my god, that's cool. And then if you want to just put it down and then just, that is so cool. There's more. Oh, there's a gold one. There's only 2? Or is there 4? I don't know. But it can be a normal car, as you can see. See, normal car. And then, or it can be a flying car. Or just an airplane. That is so cool. I like Kinder Eggs. Okay, there's our first 2 toys. So, let's start. Oh, I want some chocolate. It's so good. Okay. Next one is, a Kinder Egg surprise. Yeah. So let's open this bad boy. No plug in there. I don't know if I said that, but let's just put it down like that. Got the garbage here on the side. Oh my god, it's so melty. It's so hot today, guys. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! Oh no. I can't get the toy out. No! Look what happened. I didn't open a Kinder Egg surprise like that before. Ah! It's a meltdown. Ah, something hold it. Okay. So, oh my god. I went to Young's and bought it. It's cool. Let's open it. Surprise me, guys. What is it? Oh, sorry. Something just dropped. It's my favorite one. You know this? I got another one. It's the wolf. I wanted this one. Oh my god. And I got it. First try. Oh my god, guys. I did it. I totally did it. Oh my god. Get this off. There you go. So, oh my god, I got the wolf. Now I just need the snake. See, guys? And then here's another code. I'm going to have lots of codes for this. Yeah? So, let's build this thing. So, you just, you grab this. I already know how to build it anyways. So. You go this. you see these little knobs, and then you see this. Yeah, you connect it to here, and then you connect it to here. Oops, oops. Go like this, and then oops. Oops. It's hard. Oops. Just joking. We go like that. And then you grab your tail, you put it in these ones in here, like right here, yeah. You put it here, yeah. There you go. Oh, that looks so cool. And then you grab the head, and then you put it in the same one like this. There you go. So I got my wolf, and then let's put some stickers on it.